So here we go. Welcome back to Financial Fuerza. My name is Eddie. In the last episode, we talked about why it's so important to have an emergency fund. This episode, we're going to talk about how much money you should have in your emergency fund.
So if you're just starting off and you earn under $20,000 a year, you should be aiming for an emergency fund in the amount of $500. Now, level 2, if you happen to earn over $20,000 a year, but you have a lot of debt, you should be aiming for an emergency fund of $1,000. Level number 3. Now, if you happen to have debt and you have a whole bunch of other responsibilities, then your emergency fund should probably be about 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses.
Now, you may be thinking to yourself, how am I going to get that money for the emergency fund? In the next video, we'll talk about some ideas to help build up that emergency fund quickly and efficiently. So be sure to hit the subscribe button below to make sure you don't miss that video.